How to add animations to header in the Wix Studio. So in order to add animations to your header, what you can do is you can just head over and then click first into your header. Click onto this open inspector icon that we can see right here. Now it should be able to show you in here the design of your header. So we have in here the header settings, the offset, and the links. So since you want to add animations, click onto this animations and effect tag. You can choose hover, click, or scroll option. For this case, let's choose in here a hover animation and then choosing here what kind of animation. You can choose color or you can also have a custom made animation for this one. So you can also create custom animation and it should be able to appear right there. Alternatively, you can also add other types of animation, just like the click animation if you would want. You can click onto this ad and then you can choose the only animation that they have, which is color. So I just recommend you to make a custom one. So that's how you add animations to header in Wix Studio. Hope you help.